Sorry, I was just practicing. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm dressed up like one of our characters in our books today. Can you guess it? Cock-a-doodle-doo? Bark, bark, bark. I'm the Little Red Hen. Today we're going to read the very famous fairy tale by Paul Galdone. And this is just one version of this story because all fairy tales and all folk tales, they're told over and over again. And every single time you tell a story, it changes a little bit. And so these are very old stories, but this version is very famous and very lovely. And we are going to be reading it today. But before we get started, I want to make sure that you know that you should dress up too if you'd like. Because not only is it fun, I can tell you it's so fun, but also when you dress up like a character and you act like them and you say their words and you do their movements and you pretend, you really, really get to know characters and you become a better and better storyteller and reader. So, if you got a costume, go put it on. Or if you go to witchchicago.org, your mom and dad, they can get a packet and it has face masks and cool activities and even an activity today that you guys could do at home that is a cooking activity because inside this book, one of the characters cooks something yummy. And so you'll find out about that. So be sure to get that. But for now, let me do a little bit more practicing because after our message, we're going to read the book and I have to be ready for my performance. All right. Bark, bark. Bark, bark, bark. One more cock-a-doodle-doo. Will you do it with me? Okay. Cock-a-doo! I think I'm ready. Okay. Now I am a hen. A hen who can read, of course. I want you, a kid at home, you, my very, very good reader at home, to repeat after me, because this message is going to teach you about reading and about the book, and it's fun. Let me get you a little closer. Ready? Repeat after me. Hi, friends. Your turn. Hi, friends. Bark, bark. Your turn. Bark, bark. That is how you say, your turn. That is how you say, hooray and hello in chicken. Hooray and hello in chicken. Isn't that funny? So if you ever want to say hello to a chicken, bark, bark. Now you know. I am so excited to read. Your turn. I am so excited to read. The sentence is not done there. Our fairy tale and play with rhymes. Your turn. Our fairy tale and play with rhymes. We're gonna talk about rhymes after this. I love rhymes. Rhymes are like songs because they sound so good and you'll see what I mean. Finally, but dress up and story acting is my favorite way to learn. Love, Hen. And I don't know if you can see this, but I left my little paws right there. Oh, and don't mind this. This is a picture of me and my friend at the farm. Thought I would add some, color to our message. Are you ready to play with some rhymes? Now, for you who aren't sure about what rhyme means, I bet you've heard it before. Rhyme just means it's these words sound alike at the end, kind of like pop, top, man, pan, rug, bug. I want to show you a picture so it helps you even more, and you can help me figure out what rhymes with these words. This word is house. Do you think that you know a word that rhymes with house? House. House. Does house bat rhyme? Let's see. House bat. I don't know. House mouse? House mouse. House mouse. Yeah, that sounds better. I'm going to put it right by the house because it rhymes. And you can see, it's got a lot of the same letters in it too. House mouse. All right. Let's see if you can help me with the next one. The next one is cat. Cat. Think, what sounds like cat at the end? Is it is it night? Cat, night. Cat, night. It kind of sounds similar. There's a ta-ta sound I hear, but I don't know. Maybe it's a better one. Is it cat, bat? Cat, bat, cat, bat. Yeah, those sound really, really similar. I'm gonna put it right by it. It rhymes, bud. If you got that, give yourself a pat on the back. So let's make sure our work is correct. House, mouse, cat, bat. Yeah, sounds right to me. Okay, we got another one. Bite. Bite. Does bite night sound good? Bite night. Bite night. That really kind of sounds good to me. But wait, there's another one here. It also has a T in it. Maybe it's it. Bite 10. Bite 10. No, it doesn't sound the same. Bite night sounds right to me. If you got that, give yourself a pat on the back. These all rhyme. We got mouse, house, cat, bat, bite, night. And we have one more, but it's not gonna be on this sheet. You know why? Can you think of a word that rhymes with hen? This is a challenge for you at home. It rhymes with 10, and it's a character in our story. Did you guess it? Did you guess it? 10. Hen, silly. 10 me. I rhyme with it. 10 hen. Let's check our work. I like rhymes because also it sounds like music when you listen to it. Let's see if we can make a beat with our rhymes. Ready? I'm gonna put up our 10 and rooster too because it's so pretty in this picture. Oh, let's start from the top. Move this 10 out of the way so you can read those words. What do we got here? We got 10, hen, house, mouse, cat, bat, and bite, night. Back up again. Bite, night, cat, hat, house, mouse, 10, hen. Does that sound good to you? So if you ever want to make cool rhymes, you are also making cool songs, cool jams. I am ready for the story though. But I also wanted to show you something kind of interesting. I was going through my farmhouse because I'm a hen and I live in a farm. If you're not sure what a farm is, I have lots of pictures from our album. This is our house. This is where I live with my friends and the farmer. This is our field of lavender because we grow lavender at our farm because you make stuff to eat on farms. This is some of my friends, the cows, just hanging out by the windmills. They're very pretty. This is another crop. I don't know what they're cooking. I don't know what they're making here, but it's a lot of land they use, and it's really green, and they pick it. Oh, and there's another beautiful cow picture. That's where I live. That's the farm. I also want to introduce you guys to some people that are going to be in this story today. I'm sorry, not people. I call them people, but really they're animals, like me. I'm telling you about them because I'm kind of disappointed with them, and I want you guys to know that even though I didn't write that story, and it doesn't have all the pieces to it, I want you to understand my side, okay? And really understand these friends of mine who live with me, who you know, I sometimes get disappointed with. Here is the farmer. He's in charge of all. She's in charge of all of the whole farm. I'm not disappointed in her. She's great. She takes care of us. This is another person. This is another animal in the story, but I'm not. He lives with me. I don't think they included him in the story. This is Pig. Pig's not in the story. No, I don't think they got him in the story. Pig's a great guy. He sleeps a lot. He eats a lot, but so that's why he's not in the story. The 3 animals that are closest to me, my closest friends, who also are the ones who kind of disappointed me, who I want to tell you about, here's a picture of them. The first person, I'm sorry, I call them people because I talk to them, is Dog. Dog is really nice, so loyal. He always smiles and licks me, but he can sometimes be lazy. You'll see. Then there's Mouse. Mouse is nice. She taught me how to not eat her, and also Be kind to small things and watch out where you step, but also sometimes doesn't, put me first. I'm your friend, and sometimes I need her to be my friend too. And finally, where did she go? Of course, there is Cat. Just like dog and mouse. She's my friend and I adore her, but sometimes I just wish she would be nicer to me. Those are my friends. That's where we live. Oh, I forgot one more. I actually forgot 2 different animals that I live with. They're not in the story, but they're always on the farm and they're important. Duck and horse. We're a big family, but they're not in the story because they're always outside a lot. They don't eat as much as us. But I want you to keep in mind that they're good animals. They made a mistake, and maybe I did too. Are you ready to hear what happened to me? I can't wait to tell you. The Little Red Hen by Paul Galdone. Ooh, I need to find that hat again. I lost it.